Hello students, last week we have started our exercise 5a. Last video we have started our exercise 5a up to question number 17. This is our question number 19. You see, here we have 1 upon a plus b plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. All the terms are in denominator, so we should take LCM to make it linear. I am taking left side separately and right side separately LCM. So here I am multiply by x and here a plus b plus x. Here by b, here by a. You can see numerator x minus a plus b plus x upon x into a plus b plus x is equal to b plus a upon ab. Now opening this bracket, I get x minus a minus b minus x upon same on the right side also x get cancelled. Now I will take cross multiplication. It means ab with minus a minus b is equal to x a plus b plus x. Now multiplying inside minus a square b minus ab square, here ax plus bx, here first, okay, this bracket as it is. Next step, same on the left side, this term with all three, this term with all three. So I get a square x plus abx plus ax square plus abx plus b square x plus bx square. Left side still same. Just observe these terms here. There are 6 terms, out of which there are 2 terms having x square. You see x square, that we can take common and write a plus b in the bracket like this. Also x terms, this all are x terms, so x can be taken common. This is a square plus ab 2 times, so that is 2ab, and this is b square in the bracket and outside x. So all terms covered. Now on the left side same. You can check here, I have taken these 2 terms on the right side, so the sign become plus. See, I am explaining here, this is same. Now you can see this is your a plus b whole square expansion. So instead of this bracket I have written a plus b whole square into x. Now out of these 2 terms, AB common. So AB common, so I get a plus b in the bracket. Also we take it on this side, so the sign changes and it become plus is equal to 0. Now you see what is there in common in all 3. Dividing by a plus b. Why I am dividing by a plus b? To remove this bracket so that we get our standard form of quadratic equation. So I get x square plus here 1 bracket divided, 1 left, plus ab, this is divided by a plus b, so it removed. Now again opening the bracket, x square plus ax plus bx plus ab is equal to 0. Now we have our group type of factorization in which we make the groups. So here x plus a plus b, x plus a is equal to 0. X plus b, x plus a is equal to 0. So x plus b is equal to 0 or x plus a is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus b, x equal to minus a. Now I start my 23rd question. This is root 2x square minus 3x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So I just you have to just think here that this is your last term and this is your first term. So this root 2 multiplying with this 2 root 2. So root 2 into root 2 become 2. Multiply by this 2, so it become 2 2s are 4. So you need to get factors of 4 to get minus 3. And 4's factors are only 2. Either 2 2s are or 4 1s are. So I get here root 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So from this 2 bracket, 2 terms, root 2x common. So here I get x minus 2 root 2. you all know that root 2 into 2 it becomes 4. Here nothing is common. I take plus 1 common. X minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2 x plus 1, x minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. So separately taking brackets equal to 0, I get here x. This plus 1 comes on the right side, become minus 1 upon root 2. Here I get x equal to 2 root 2. Means I get 2 roots, minus 1 by root 2 and 2 root 2. Now 24th question. Here a x square plus 1 minus x a square plus 1 equal to 0. So students, here we need to open the bracket. Ax square plus a minus x a square minus x equal to 0. So here ax square minus x a square I am taking together, and this a minus x separate. Why I am doing so? To get something common from it, I am making groups. So here ax is common, x minus a left. Here nothing is common, so plus 1 a minus x equal to 0. Now observe that here these two bracket must be equal. If not, you have to check whether something is wrong, or you have to change the sign here. If you change here plus 2 minus and you interchange the places in the bracket, then you get exactly same bracket. So what I did here, ax x minus a plus 2 minus 1, and then interchanging from x a minus x to x minus a, then ax minus 1 x minus a. Okay, like this you get two brackets. So ax minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus a equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by a or x equal to a. Means I get two roots here, x equal to 1 by a and a. So here we have completed our exercise 5a, students. Now rest all the question you have to try and solve by yourself. Thank you.